दोस्तों, आपको अगर हमारी वीडियो पसंद आए तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, घंटे को दबाएं, ऑल प्रेस करें हमारी वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
So hey friends, welcome back. In today video we are going to talk about how to fix login problem on Fortnite. Fortnite login in problem checking crossplay privately. Is- If you facing issue related to the login field problem or login in problem, we show you have to fix it in this video. Please watch the video completely, and if you like and enjoy the video, like and share it. Login problem, how to fix it. To first time are you going to Fortnite website? Are you going to Epic Games Store? www.epicgamesstore.com. Unable to log into Fortnite server, please try again later. Error message and login problem. To how to fix. So first time how to clear my PlayStation cache and cookies files, and how to fix steps are showing this website. Are you going to contact us and contact to Epic support assistant and solve your problem? Are you this page are not going to first time, click here and games and Fortnite and Fortnite support team are going about this side and this page to contact us and resolve your problem.